Mercedes.
Hey guys, we just did a pre-purchase inspection on this here 2013 Mercedes-Benz SL63 AMG. I'm going to give you my top 3 common issues to look for if you are buying a used Mercedes.
Mercedes.
Number 1 is going to be the cam solenoids like to leak onto the connectors, and that oil can trace back through the engine main wiring harness, and that can cause a lot of issues to a lot of other components throughout the vehicle.
Mercedes.
The second most common issue with Mercedes-Benz vehicles are transmission problems. Transmission fluid leaks, harsh drive and reverse engagement, and shifting issues are the most common reported concerns. If one doesn't address these issues right away, significant internal transmission damage can occur, and that can lead to a hefty bill at your local repair facility.
Mercedes.
And number 3, engine mounts. Many Mercedes-Benz vehicles use oil-filled engine mounts to reduce vibrations. Over time, these mounts can fail, causing excessive vibration. With an assistant power braking the vehicle, you can determine if the engine mounts have failed. It is also wise to check for leaks if they are oil-filled. If not, check for cracks in the rubber bushings.
Mercedes.
If you enjoyed this video, why don't you go on ahead and hit that subscribe button. Cheers.